If you care about your health, watch this video carefully. Mandarins are not only sweet and delicious, but they are also one of the healthiest fruits you can eat every day. This small, bright orange fruit is packed with powerful nutrients that can improve your overall health in many ways. First of all, mandarins are rich in vitamin C, which plays a key role in strengthening your immune system. Eating mandarins regularly helps your body fight off colds, flu, and infections more effectively. Just 1 or 2 mandarins a day can give your body a strong natural defense. Mandarins are also full of antioxidants such as flavonoids and beta-carotene. These help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of serious diseases like heart disease and even some types of cancer. Another great benefit of mandarins is their positive effect on your skin. Thanks to vitamin C and antioxidants, they help your skin stay smooth, bright, and youthful. They support collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and reduces signs of aging. Mandarins are also very good for digestion. They contain dietary fiber, which helps your digestive system work properly, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut. A healthy gut means better absorption of nutrients and more energy for your body. In addition, mandarins can help with weight management. They are low in calories but high in water and fiber, which makes you feel full longer and reduces unnecessary snacking. This makes them a perfect choice for a healthy diet. Mandarins also support heart health. They contain potassium and beneficial plant compounds that help regulate blood pressure and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart problems. Moreover, they can improve your mood. The natural aroma and nutrients in mandarins can have a refreshing and calming effect, helping reduce stress and boost your overall mental well-being. Adding mandarins to your daily routine is simple. You can eat them fresh, add them to salads, desserts, or even juices. They are convenient, tasty, and incredibly beneficial. Take care of your health today, because small habits create big results. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.